Oh wow! All colorful chocolates, crunchy biscuits and chips, the velvety marshmallow, spongy cakes, and the smooth ice cream. Divine. My mouth is watering right now. Hi friends, welcome to Anbulan Vidya. Recently, we know that Nestle had said that 60% of its products like Maggi, Kit Kat, Nescafe are unhealthy to eat. So at this point, let us know what junk food can do to our body. You can say junk food will cause us obesity, heart attack, it can give us diabetes and even cancer. But do you know that junk foods can also affect our mental health? Yes. So in this video, I have consolidated all the details which our doctors have researched on and given about the junk food versus our brain health. So brain constitutes only 2% of our body weight, but it needs 20% of the energy from the food we take. Our brain starts to develop right from the time when a baby is formed in the mother's womb. The doctor, she has researched by dividing the mothers into two groups. One by having only healthy foods during their pregnancy, the other by eating junk foods like salted foods, sweets, sweetened drinks, cakes, ice creams, pizzas, etc. What she observed was the mothers who ate junk food, their kids right from 5 months to 5 years, they showed higher levels of aggression, anger and tensions. That is why we are always advised to give healthy foods to pregnant ladies. Next, just like our body, our brain also needs good fats to function properly. That is omega-3. Omega-3 cannot be produced inside our body. It can be obtained only through the food we take. So it is present in vegetable oil, fish, then nuts, seeds, salmons, etc. So when we eat junk food, we are deprived of these nutrients, and hence what doctor says is the brain does not have enough nutrients, and this leads to anxiety, stress and depression. You know that what we eat has a greater influence towards our thoughts and decisions? Yes, our doctor has a study on this. So what they did in Netherlands, they chose a prison and divided them into two groups. One set of prisoners were given healthy food, the other were fed with junk food. The prisoners who ate healthy food filled with minerals, vitamins and fatty acids, they showed very reduced level of aggression and very good improvement in their mental health, and finally even 1/3 of them were released from the prison. Yes, so the food we take has an influence over us to this extent. Junk foods in general, they are dripping with more bad fat and high sugar. So when we take this junk food, it is all devoid of nutrients, so there is a lack of energy and our nerve cells keep waiting and it's very tired without receiving that energy. So it keeps on insisting us that we have to eat, and it makes us more hungry and we end up eating more, which leads to obesity in one side, but on the other side it leads to loss of memory power. Yes, when children take this junk food for a longer period of time, they show a very bad memory power. Lastly, you will be shocked to know this. Our doctor has found that these sugars from junk food is more addictive when compared to our drugs. Yes, and that is the reason we feel more tempting when we see them and smell them. Doctors say we are what we eat. So when we take healthy food for a longer period of time, these problems will go away naturally. I know you must be thinking, is it possible to avoid them completely? No, but there's a saying, even if it is amrit, you have to have it in small quantity. And that too, this is junk food, garbage. So you have to choose wisely. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.